Threads is certainly making an impact. Already, 70 million users have signed up to Meta's new Twitter rival, according to Mark Zuckerberg. By any measure, that's impressive. And while it looks like the new social network will give Twitter a run for its money, there are some key differences. Crucially, users want to know if you can send DMs, direct messages, on Threads. Threads is tied directly to Instagram and has been designed to compete specifically with Twitter. Of course, that includes mimicking many of its key features. Users have responded positively so far, with many praising it as a refreshing alternative to Elon Musk's struggling microblogging service. But it's clear Threads still has a ways to go when it comes to matching Twitter feature for feature. After all, we've already explained that Threads doesn't support hashtags or multiple accounts and prohibits NSFW content. However, one feature that is present in virtually every social media platform is direct messaging. This allows users to communicate directly and in private, and is viewed as an essential component of relationship building online. Of course, as Threads is brand new, if you're trying to figure out how to send a DM, you may think you're just missing something. So, allow us to explain what the deal is with direct messaging on Threads. Now, here's the question. Can you send DMs on Threads? You can't send DMs on Threads. DMs are unavailable as the app does not currently include direct messaging features. That means you are unable to privately message other Threads users in the app. If you want to communicate directly with another user, your best option would be to find them on Instagram and message them on there. While DMs aren't available right now, that doesn't mean they won't be introduced at some point in the future. Naturally, if Meta want to use Threads to compete with Twitter, increasing its number of features is the company's best bet. As long as Threads lacks certain functionality that is available on Twitter, some users will be inclined to remain on the platform they already know. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us for more amazing content.